You are having the book, then you can note down. Okay. Laser, yes, laser printer is used for high quality printing. Output devices are used for displaying the information.
Ma'am,
Third
there is
one is
page number in the book.
yes. If you have filled in book, now I'm going to mute everyone because I'm getting too much of noise from your side and other students are doing the work. Right now, no need of raising the hand. I have mentioned the fill-ups right now, so just do the fill-ups in book. Second answer is output. The second answer of fill-up is output. Output devices are used for giving the information, for displaying the information. The information we are getting in the form of binary digits. The information we are getting in the form of binary digits. Two types of memories are there, internal memory and external memory. RAM and ROM. Random access memory and read-only memory. Internal memory and external memory, there are two types of memory. A flash drive is also known as pen drive. Flash drive is also known as pen drive. Flash drive is also called as pen drive. Flash card is also known as pen drive. First of all, fill up complete. Now I'm going to start true false. So just 1 minute time. Again, you have to give it to me, and then I will write the fill up true and false on board. First of all, complete it. I'm giving you 1 minute time. The first answer is leather. Fill up. This answer you have to note down in fill up. Page number 16, fill up. First answer is leather. Second answer is output. Third answer is binary. Fourth answer, write the correct spelling also. Spelling it is also given in the option. Internal, external. And the last is pen drive. Vedansh, you have completed the work. Aban, I have, yes, Surbi also done. And yes, Aban, I have sent your unique ID. Mukitul Bashar, yes, okay, Surbi. Let me complete and the exercise, and I will check all of your book together. No need of raising the hands right now. Complete the exercises together, then I will check. Okay, now the next, just 1 minute time I need for completing the true false. Now I'm going to complete the true false. Okay. So the first answer is a digital camera is used to share the pictures and have live chat on the internet. Okay, the first answer is true false now. After this, true and false. So you have to write only C and F. True and false. Now I'm writing the answer. The first answer is a digital camera is used to share the pictures and have live chat on the internet. No, that is false.
उनकी best friend.
Now the second one is the CPU manages all the jobs of a computer. Yes, this is true. Now the third one is a multifunctional printer is also known as all-in-one printer. This is also true. Now the fourth one is RAM stands for random access memory. No, this is false. RAM stands for random access memory. 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 gigabyte. This is also true. Okay, now write the true false. Complete the true false all of you. I'm showing the board. Yes, Mukitul Bashar. Note down the true false in book. First one is false. Web camera is used for live video calls.
कौन सी copy?
Now second is true, third is true, fourth is false. The full form of RAM is random access memory, and the fifth one is also true.
मेरी revision copy है.
I'm giving you 2 minutes time,
मेरे पास revision copy है.
and then I will start application based question. I will erase this and I will start application based. Do it fast, those who have not done. You have to complete the exercises in book only, not in copy. Yes, Adrika, what happened? Done. Adrika?
Yes, ma'am. मैम जो आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन है मैम जो
के घर के पास
मैम सेक्शन डी का है मैम ये वाला आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन मैम आप उसको बुक में करवाएंगी।
मैम ट्रू फॉल्स का फिफ्थ वाला फॉल्स है मैम 1024 मेगाबाइट इज इक्वल टू 1 गीगाबाइट मैम ये उसका अपोजिट लिखा है
It is given in that. It is given in that chart.
मैम आपकी वीडियो मैम आपकी वीडियो ऑफ है।
Soumya, please check that chart. Send me that. Let me check it then whether it is true or false. Soumya, please.
मैम 1 kb मैम 1 kb is equal मैम 1024 kb is equal to 1 MB।
किरत मैम
Let me check it first of all. Soumya, please send me that page. Actually, I'm not having book. Please send me that page. That table is there. That table is there. Yes, 1024. You have to learn this table also, and you have to draw this table also in copy. First of all, let me check the table. Soumya, send me the table.
मैम
Adrika,
has sended you।
लास्ट वन का मैम ट्रू होगा क्योंकि
No, let me check. Let me check.
मैम आई हैव आल्सो सेंडेड यू
Yes, yes, thank you.
sended you the table।
1024. Okay, let me check. I will tell you that whether it's correct or false.
मैम सौम्या आई सेंडेड यू प्लीज चेक
1024 gigabyte. 1 megabyte. Okay, let me check.
102 गीगाबाइट
024
गीगाबाइट मतलब देयर इज नो पेज नंबर इन माय बुक
Okay, wait.
मैम
Yes. 1 megabyte.
It is true। मैम ट्रू एंड फॉल्स बता दीजिए। It is true मैम वाला ट्रू होगा मैम 5 वाला।
1024
इट विल बी फॉल्स
megabyte is equal to 1024 kilobytes. Okay, let me check. 1 megabyte is equal to 104 gigabyte. It is written. No, this is false. It is given in question that 1 megabyte is equal to 104 gigabyte. It is not equal to 1024 gigabyte.
नहीं लिखा
It is equal to
मैम ट्रू फॉल्स का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन थर्ड क्वेश्चन सेकंड क्वेश्चन और फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन बता दीजिए।
Okay, I am showing. This is the, yes, this statement is false because 1024 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 kilobytes. It is false and it is given in question that 1 megabyte is equal to 1024.
And there is number 16 in my
Yes, it is given in question that 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 gigabyte. That is why it is not correct. 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 gigabyte. You have to learn that table also.
इतना
You have to learn that table.
शॉर्टकट
Okay? That is why in true false the last one will be false. Correct.
मैम
Soumya has told, she has informed me about the right answer. Yes, the last one is false.
मैम मैंने पहले से एक्सरसाइज फिल करी मैम मैंने लास्ट का फॉल्स लिखा था।
Okay, now listen to me. It is given in question that 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 gigabyte. That is why it is false. 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 kilobytes. If it is given KB, then it is correct. Then it is true. That is why the last one is false. First one is also false. Second one is true. Third one is true. Fourth one is false. The full form of RAM is random access memory. It is not random access memory. That is why it is false. The third last one is also false because it is given that 1 megabyte is equal to 1024. The question is 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 kilobyte. That is false. The correct answer is 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 kilobyte. This table you have to prepare, you have to learn, and you have to prepare in copy also. Memory size table. 1024 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 kilobyte. Okay, Amita, you have done. Now I'm erasing this an application based question. Application based question also you need to complete in book only, and then we will do mapping, and the last one is one word answer. Do it fast because time is also finishing. Now we will do application based question. Application based question. Now the first one is, let me read the question first of all. 1 minute time, please give it to me. Okay. Smriti has lost her computer notebook in the class, and the next day she has to appear for a test. Which device will you suggest her to use that she can take the photocopy of the chapter of her friend's notebook? What she needs to use? She needs to use for taking the photocopy printer. Okay. For taking the photocopy, what she needs to use? Printer. Okay. She can use printer from where she can take the picture. Printer. Okay, now I'm writing the answers also. Printer. Okay, just wait. Yes, what happened, Soumya? Yes,
Ma'am, it will photocopier.
printer. Printer is used for taking the prints of the copy because she needs the papers. What we need to use? We need to use printer for taking the print.
Ma'am, we will use printer, not ma'am photocopy.
मैम
Okay.
अगर मैम वो फोटो भेजेगी उसकी फ्रेंड तब मैम फिर वो प्रिंटर यूज करेगी मैम, लेकिन उसकी फ्रेंड ने उसको अपना नोटबुक दिया है तो मैम वो स्कैन करेगी पहले फिर प्रिंट करेगी.
Yes. So, what she need to use? Printer.
स्कैनर एंड प्रिंटर मैम.
Because in your syllabus you are having printer on. And the second one is, now let me read the question first of all. Second question is,
So ma'am, in our book there is also a paragraph about scanner.
In my book.
okay, scanner
Ma'am, in my book
for
is
scanning and
Page
printer also.
number 10. Page number 10.
Ma'am, only होगा. Ma'am, इसके अंदर में है.
Scanner and printer both, ma'am, because she will first scan that and then print that.
Ma'am, page number 10 का paragraph पूरा.
Okay, Shohel could not finish his project work in the class, so he wants to carry the soft copy of the project to his house in order to finish it. Which device? He can use any storage device. So
Number 16 in my book.
Ma'am, and page number 10
pen
in
drive,
my
flash
book.
drive. Okay, in second one you have to
Flash
write
and pen drive.
storage
Ma'am, what
device.
we have to do?
Like pen drive, flash drive, can use flash drive, any storage device,
हम जा रहे हैं ना.
flash drive, memory card. Okay, etc. He can use pen drive also, flash drive also. Any storage device he can use. Okay,
मुझे भी
storage
pen
device. And the first one is for taking the print.
Ma'am, you not write the question.
Ma'am, tomorrow हम लोग
Can
मैम
use printer for taking the scan.
Ma'am, is the answer. Printer. She can use printer and
For
pen.
question number one.
No, ma'am, ma'am, second Alika.
Taking the for having scan.
From a notebook.
Printer and scanner. You can write both. She can use printer also. She can use a scanner also.
Ma'am, तो हम लोग मैम
Now,
प्रिंटर एंड स्कैनर.
हाँ, yes,
मैम आप लोग को दोनों लिखना है ना मैम, प्रिंटर एंड स्कैनर.
yes.
मैम आप क्वेश्चन आंसर कब शेयर करेंगी?
Question answer already it has been sent to
मैम
you.
तो मेरा नहीं हुआ तो मैम एक बार फिर से दिखा दीजिए.
No, beta. Question answer you have to go through the PDF. Question answer I'm not going to send it to you. Now,
मैम स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेंगे. अप्रैल में आया था. मैम 25 अप्रैल डेट में पीडीएफ जो आया था मैम उसमें.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Amita, why you are not careful?
इनका क्या होगा? He could not finish his project.
Blue red disk, you have to match with 128
मैम
128
सेकंड का क्या होगा? मैम जो सोई वाला है स्क्रीनशॉट में in class you want to carry a soft copy of the project to his house in order to finish it his device. Will you suggest him to fulfill the task?
Okay, now I'm showing the mapping also. Why you people are talking a lot? Other students they are also doing the work.
क्वेश्चन दिखा दीजिए मैम.
I have muted everyone. This is application-based question. The first answer is she can use printer also. She can use a scanner also for taking the print and for taking the yes. Soumya has rightly said. If she needs to scan the picture, she needs a scanner. So both the answer. If you will write printer also, that is also correct. If you will write a scanner, that is also correct. You can use both of. Now second one is a storage device. You can write any storage device like flash drive, pen drive, memory card. Okay, you can write any storage device. That is why I have mentioned pen drive, flash drive, etc. So you can write any storage device. The storage device we have to use for storing the things, for storing the documents. Now the D1 is matching. So the first one you have to match with the last one. Second one you have to match with the C1. Third one you have to match with the first one, and fourth one you have to match with the B1. CD, that is the diameter given 4.7. Then memory unit is used. Now this is all the information it is given that from which you have to match which device. I'm telling you also, Blu-ray disc match with 120. Blu-ray disc is having the memory that is 128 GB. Match with this. MU is memory unit and you have to match with the source information. Memory unit is used for storing the information as the name suggests also. CD is having the diameter that is 4.7 in diameter. Now the speakers, you know that speakers are used to listen to music and sound effects. Okay. Now the last one is multiple choice question. First of all, do it. Then I will do the multiple choice question also. I have to erase this. Do it fast. Matching. Blu-ray disc you have to match with 128 GB. That is the storage capacity. Okay. MU is used for memory unit. It is used for storing the information. CD is having diameter 4.7. Speakers are used for listening music. Yes, now the last one, that is multiple choice questions. So I'm writing the answers and then I will show you the board. Okay, I'm telling you the answers also. The first one is, which output device allows you to record the sound? Now the first one is multiple choice question, that is MCQ. And the first answer is, which output device allows you? Now there is a problem in this question. The question says that which output device. It should be which input device. Just correct this. Which input device. It should be which input device is used to allows to record sound, and the correct answer is microphone. Correct the question because microphone is your input device. So your answer will be microphone. Correct the question. In place of output, you have to write input. Now the second one is, which device is used to control the movement of the pointer on a laptop? That is touchpad. Touchpad. The maximum capacity of a multimedia card is up to 512 GB. Gigabyte. And the last one is, the storage capacity of a DVD varies from dash to dash. That is fourth one is 4.7 GB to 17 GB. Now these are the correct answer. Now I'm showing the board. Now the first one is microphone, second one is touchpad, third one is 512 GB, fourth one is 4.7 GB and 17 GB. These are the correct answers. And there is one mistake in the question. I have already informed you that in the first question it is written that which output device allows you to record the sound. So the correct answer is microphone, but there is one problem in question. In place of output, you have to write input. Just cut it. Cut the question. In place of output, you have to write input because input device, microphone is input device that is used for recording. Yes, I have to decide the monitor also for the month of May. Tomorrow during first class, I will inform you about the monitor. That who will be the monitor for the month of April. Okay, now these are the exercises. In question number 1, again I am saying, in question number 1, there is one problem. It is written that which output device. So just cut that output. You have to write input. Correct this. It is given in the question that which output device is used to record the sound. That is, microphone is used to record the sound, but it is an input device. So it is written in the question that which output. So just cut that output. You have to write input. Now all of you show me your book, those who have done. Adrika, Adarsh, Survi, Vansha, Aman, Rudra, Samriti, Soumya.
मैम वहाँ से वास्ते को देख लीजिए.
Ma'am, please see my work. I have done.
मैम प्लीज ये वहाँ से वास्ते वर्क.
Page number 18 पे एक्टिविटी सेक्शन है. मैम एक ये यहाँ पे है.
मैम वो राम जो लिखा है मैम उसकी मैम क्या होता है राम?
RAM is random access memory. RAM, ROM, that is internal memory and external memory. Okay, now, first of all, there is one problem in the question in MCQ first question. It is written that which output device. Just cut that output. You have to write which input device. Question को correct करिए. All of you have.
Ma'am, please see Adrika work.
मैम प्लीज सी वहाँ से वास्ते वर्क.
Ma'am, please see my work. Ma'am, please see Adrika.
प्लीज सी वहाँ से वास्ते वर्क.
First of all, yes. Show me both the pages. Next page also.
Ma'am, Samriddhi. Ma'am, please see Himanshu also. This is Samriddhi work. Ma'am, please Himanshu also work.
Adrika, Amita, Pitul Bashar, all of you have to learn the exercises also. Samriddhi, Aban, Vashupratap on the show me.
मैम मैंने पहले करवाई थी मैम, फिर आपने अभी जब करवाया मैम मेरा पूरा सही था।
मैम, मेरा भी पूरा सही है।
मैम अक्षय गुप्ता का देती है पूरा सही है
और मैम ट्रू और फॉल्स मैम एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन और मैथ द फॉलोइंग मैम मल्टी चॉइस क्वेश्चन मेरा करेक्ट है।
Okay. Now, again I am saying that correct the. Now listen to me first of all. First of all, listen to me. There is one mistake in the question of MCQ first question. It is written that which it is an input device. So it is, you have to correct that output and write input because microphone is your input device. So you have to write input. Which input device is used to record the sound? The correct answer is microphone, but there is problem in question. So correct the question. Yes. Okay. Yes. Vansha has also corrected the question. Correct the question also and show me the work. Mukitul Bashar, show me. Amita, I have checked your work. Aban, Samriddhi, Vasupratap on the video. Rudra Pratap, Pavni on the video and show me the work. Yes. Surbi, Akshat, Amita, Mukitul Bashar, Soumya. Soumya has already sent me the work also. Soumya, just correct the question. You have corrected the question. MCQ first question. Yes. Okay, Adrika. It is written that which output device. You have to correct it and write which input device. There is one problem in MCQ first question. You have corrected that, Soumya. Show me your work. Yes. And you have corrected that. Yes, very good. This is an input device. So you have to cut that output and write input. That is one problem in the question. Yes. Because speaker is an output device. But